Alright, mi gente emotion. So real quick, we're just gonna pop on our eyebrows. I did it off camera just to make it easier and quicker for you guys. So now we're just gonna be getting the palette Dreaming in Color by B Bella Cosmetics. We're gonna get the shade Garment, this burgundy color, and we're just gonna place it onto our outer crease. Getting the color Poppy, this bright orangey shade, and we're gonna pop that on and blend it out with the Garment color and just erase any of those harsh lines. Something a little bit more brighter, so I went in and got the 518 color from the James Charles palette, and I'm just blending it out with the rest of the colors. So we're gonna go back into the Garment color and place it again into our outer corner, and basically just to intensify the crease. With the blending brush, making sure that all my colors are blended out. Now we're gonna go in with the color Moonlight, a dark purple shade, and putting it also again into our crease just to intensify it even more. Going in with the color Poppy and Garment again, just to blend out all of those three colors. Conceal, we'll be using the CNC concealer by Kiss, and we will be creating this half cut crease. Because my eyelid does have a lot of room, I will be rising up the crease a little bit more higher than usual.
Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, he didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I'll do him forever in a minute. That's on my night.
With another small brush, you're gonna wanna basically wipe away any extra concealer that you have, just so it won't be cakey when you apply more eyeshadow onto it. Getting Black Cherry, a even darker purple shade, to intensify that half cut crease. Ow. Now we're gonna be getting the color Indigo, a beautiful purple color, blue, and just popping that on top of the purple and blending it out. We're going to be getting this yellow gold shade in the palette Slay It by B Bella Pro Cosmetics, and we're just going to be placing that onto our eyelid. That it blends out really nicely with the two other colors, Indigo and Black Cherry. And now we're going to do the scariest part, which is the eyeliner. We're going to be using the Cool Black 24-hour wear waterproof eyeliner, and I mean, as you can see, I'm like kind of struggling. I'm trying my best to do it with just one hand, but I sped it up for you guys, so
you got $1? I'm gonna go get a slushie. I'm gonna go get a slushie. I see it right there, dude. You're freaking lying.
So now we're just going to be curling our little pelitos from our eyelashes and putting on some mascara. I usually use the Avon one, the waterproof one, but I don't have that right now, so I'm just using this. I have no idea what it is. I think it's the L'Oreal one. I have no idea, but it gets the job done. Time to do our face, and now that we have that done, we're going to use a little bit of highlight from the B Bella Cosmetics Fairy Dust palette. This is the lightest shade, and we're just going to put that onto our brow bone, as well as our tip of our nose, and as well the bridge of our nose. So we're going to be using the black eyeliner pencil by, guess who? B Bella Cosmetics. You guessed it. So we're going to put that onto our waterline. So we're gonna go back with the color garment, but we're gonna place it onto our lash line, blending it out with the color black, and also adding the other eyeshadow that we used, which was in the shade Poppy.
All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana. He didn't walk up with that how you doing. When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't without doing forever in a minute. That's on my night. And Tyler says he got.
Alright, so now we're gonna add some glitter to intensify the look. And well, I was just bored and I just wanted to add some glitter, you know? So I'm just using the NYX glitter primer and then adding some little flakes all along the side of the wing. So, and I mean, it did look cute, so mission accomplished.
My heart is in Havana. He took me back to East Atlanta. All of my heart is in Havana.
Alright, time for the best part, well, scariest part also. We're going to be using the NYX Vivid Brights in the shade Sapphire onto the top of the cut crease and also outlining the eyeliner. My dumbass. So I completely forgot at the very last minute of creating this look, I decided to kind of do like a cat eye look. So I'm just making the eyeliner a little bit more pointier in the inner corner. Ahora sí comienza lo bueno. So ahora sí, we're gonna outline the eyeliner and also the top of the cut crease. And wish me luck. Last but not least, we are going to pop on some eyelashes. I am using the Miss Lit eyelashes in the style 30. So we're gonna finally put on some lip gloss on. I'm not really the type to wear color lipstick. I'm more of a lip gloss / Carmex girl. So we're just gonna put some of this. It is the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fussy.
All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. He didn't walk up with that how you doing. When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't without doing forever in a minute. That's on my night. And Tyler says he got my love.
Alright guys, so it is like It is 3:26 a.m. I finished the look and this is how it looks. New look tomorrow, but I actually love it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming up soon.